Let's take a look at this example. This time we're supposed to find the second derivative for x equals 1. So we have to find the first derivative. So this is going to be my u, and this term is going to be my v. So I have u equals x. Derivative of u, let me write this down over here, u prime is equal 1, where v is equal 4 plus x to the second power, and everything is raised to power 1/2. So v prime is equal 1/2 4 plus x to the second power negative 1/2 times 2x. Okay, so we have 2 and 2 will cancel out. So we can rewrite v prime is equal x times 4 plus x to the second power to power negative 1/2. Next, we're supposed to use the formula for the derivative of the product. So I have y prime is equal u x times v prime x, open parenthesis, 4 plus x squared to power negative 1/2 plus v, which is 4 plus x to the second power 1/2 times u prime, which is 1. Okay, so what we have, this is equal, x times x gives me x squared. So I have x squared, and I have 4 plus x squared to the power negative 1/2 over here, right? So I have 4 plus x squared to power negative 1/2 plus 4 plus x squared to power 1/2. Next, we're supposed to find the derivative of the first derivative. So this is my u, because this is the product, and this is my v. So u is equal x squared. U prime is equal to x. V is equal 4 plus x squared to power negative 1/2, and v prime is equal negative 1/2 4 plus x to the second power to the power negative 1/2 minus 1 is equal negative 3/2. Okay, and the derivative of the content of the parentheses, we have to multiply by the derivative of u, which is 2x. Okay, so 2 and 2 will cancel out, so I have v prime is equal negative x, and I have 4 plus x to the second power to power negative 3/2. Now we're supposed to use the formula for the product, okay, for the derivative of the product. So we have second derivative is equal u x squared times v prime, of course, negative x, and I have 4 plus x to the second power to power negative 3 over 2 plus v 4 plus x to the second power to power negative 1/2 times u prime, which is equal to 2x. Right? So we are finished with this part plus the derivative of this term. So we have 1/2 4 plus x to the second power, and I have negative 1/2, because 1/2 minus 1 will give me negative 1/2 times 2x, because derivative of 4 plus x squared is equal to 2x. Again, if you don't understand what I'm doing, you're supposed to review the previous problems. So we have second derivative is equal x squared times negative x is equal negative x cubed, and we can convert, right, the negative exponent to fraction and the fractional exponent to radical. So I'm going to write that this is square root 4 plus x squared to the third power plus, because we have like terms, we can add them up. So I have 3x over square root, and I have 4 plus x squared. Okay? So now we're supposed to find the second derivative for x equals 1. So let me write this down over here. So I have second derivative for x equal 1 is equal. So instead of x, I'm supposed to write 1, right? So I have negative 1 to the third power over square root, and I have 4 plus 1 to the third power plus 3 times 1 over square root 4 plus 1 to the second power is equal 1. Okay, so this is equal. I have negative 1, so I have negative 1 over square root of 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 to the third power is equal 125. So I have 125 plus 3 over square root of 5. Now we can use the calculator and say that the answer is equal 1.25. Okay, and this is my solution to this problem.